Everyone. Today we will be doing lesson number 9 of Raindrops, and name of the lesson is Po. The word is somewhat funny, right? But the story is really heart touching, and you will really like the story because this story will remind you something, and that you will come to know in the end. Read about Po, a person who loved and cared for the author ever since he was a baby. Author means who has written this story. The author shares some heartwarming stories of the many things Po did for him. But who is Po? Let us find out. I was only 2.5 months old when I first met Po. The time was November 1978. The place was Grandpa's house in Taipei, Taiwan. My mom took me with her to Taiwan for a visit. She could not wait to show off her brand new baby boy to all the friends and relatives back home. At first sight, Po picked me up from mom's arms as if I were Po's firstborn. I made quite an impression on everybody there because I was crying as if I had been stabbed by a sharp pin. This author was just crying very badly, as if somebody has hurt him with a sharp pin. Having just been on a 15-hour flight, mom was too exhausted. The flight, they have come from a flight, okay, and the flight was of 15 hours. So mom is tired to calm me down. So Po held me and cuddled me so that mom could get some rest. Cuddled means loved me. Walking and rocking me back and forth in the living room throughout the night. Po was finally able to put me to sleep. So finally the author slept. Po must have had very sore arms and feet that first time we met. Although I was too young to actually remember anything, I could just picture it in my mind years later when mom told me about it. My next meeting with Po took place when I was 2 years old. Mom was offered a teaching job at a private university in Taiwan. We stayed at Grandpa's 4 bedroom flat in Taipei. Po lived there too. I had a severe nose bleeding problem. Severe means very bad. At that time, when the author was 2 years old, for some unknown reason, my nose would bleed heavily at least 2 or 3 times a day. Both mom and Po were very worried. Mom took me to many doctors, but none of them seemed to help. Po asked about an experienced Chinese herbal doctor. So, herbal doctor is a doctor who gives treatment to his patient through traditional way, like using herbs. Mom decided to give it a try. After the herbal doctor had felt my pulse from both wrists, he wrote a long prescription in Chinese characters. Prescription means all the medicines he has written on one paper. Mom told me that there were at least 20 herbs included in the prescription. But that was nothing compared to what we had to do with the prescription afterwards. Means it was not easy to compare. Mom brought home a huge bag of herbs which had been carefully measured and mixed and separately packed and sealed at the herb store. To get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and start simmering. Simmering means cooking that medicine on a low flame. One pack of the herbs for 4 hours every day. Okay, every day 4 o'clock she used to get up to make that medicine. It became a ritual for mom and Po both. Ritual means daily habit, the daily that this they have to do. It was very important that the heat and the amount of water be just right at all times so that the medicine would work properly. So they were following the doctor very seriously. Since mom had a very busy schedule at the university, Po offered to do it all alone so that mom could concentrate on her teaching. So now everything Po was doing all alone. It was very difficult to make me drink 3 times a day after meals. The dark brown liquid made from all the herbs. Herbs means jadi booty. Okay? Jadi booty. I'm sure it was the most horrible tasting medicine that anybody has ever had to take. I was only 2 years old and was way beyond reasoning. I was so small that I even cannot say no to them because I have to take medicine. I was small. It took Poe great effort and patience to get the medicine carefully prepared. It took Poe even greater effort, along with some magic, to actually manage to get the yucky liquid into that stubborn little mouth of mine 3 times a day. Yucky liquid means not of a good taste. By the end of the eighth month, I was completely cured. So the author has taken the medicine 8 months. Poe, on the other hand, had lost about 20 pounds. Why she lost the weight? Because she was just taking care of the author day and night so that his problem of nose bleeding should be cured. Though we returned to America after 1 year, Poe and I have met many times since then. Mom continued to go back to Taiwan for short-term teaching assignments. She took me with her at least once a year, and we got to spend a lot of time with Poe on each visit. Every time we came back to the States, means to the United States of America, our suitcases would be overflowing with food, clothes, and toys that Poe had brought for us. Interesting. When Poe saw us off at the airport, I could not hide my feelings very well. Trying to cheer me up, Poe said, "Don't be sad, Abe. We'll see each other again. Sooner than you think. Besides, we will always be together in our hearts." However, I detected some shakiness in Poe's voice and tears in Poe's eyes. Poe was also crying. Poe was invited by Mom and Dad to come visit us in the States. I was so excited that I could not sleep the night before. The day Poe arrived, Mom and Dad took me to the San Francisco International Airport. I was going to give Poe a big hug, but Poe called out, "Oh, be careful, Abe. I have got my hands full." In Poe's hands was my favorite Chinese pastry that weighed about 30 pounds. Pounds here is the weight. Poe had insisted on hand carrying it halfway around the world so that the delicious and delicate pastry would stay fresh and look nice, not squeezed or smashed. This was the true love for the Abe. I could just write a whole book about the nice things that Poe has done for me, but I can never fully express my appreciation for Poe. Poe is the most caring and loving person that I have ever known besides my own parents. By the way, Poe is 72 years old now. She is the mother of my mother. As a matter of fact, Po is the Chinese word for grandma. This heart touching, this beautiful story is written by Abraham Tuzau. And I am sure everybody has liked this story. So, Po is grandma who really love us, who really take care of us wholeheartedly. Right?